Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal credit debit card buttons in your Shopify store. This video is specific for Rise theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore the playlist of the videos where I have already published a lot of videos for different themes. So you can explore that. If you still don't find, then you can message me. I will create a new video for you. This specific feature is helpful for those who are selling the products internationally, because in most of the cases we try to sell the products to international customers, but we have the only option to receive payments, and that is PayPal, and our customers don't have PayPal. They are interested to pay using credit card or maybe debit card, so we have to provide them this alternate so that we could able to easily collect the payments. PayPal is already providing an option to collect the payments through credit or debit card button. So I will show you step by step that how you can integrate that same feature into your Shopify store. So here you can see that I have a dashboard. You can see I have installed Rise theme, and if you have any other theme, then please go back to that playlist of the videos. And I have already given the documentation link below in the description. So I'm going to follow that documentation in this video. So once you are clicking on that link, you will be getting these 4 files. So let me open documentation-card.txt, and inside of this file, I have already given a list of steps which we are going to follow in this video. Now the first step is go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code, and then click on snippets. So here we have the dashboard. You should have to click on online store, then click on themes, and then you can see that we have Rise theme. And before editing the code, please take the backup of this theme. Click on these 3 dots and duplicate this theme so that you should have an original version of the theme without any changes. Click again these 3 dots and click on edit code. Here you can see that we have some folders. So basically we need to click on snippets and then after go back to the documentation. So we have the second step, which is create new snippet file paypal-thankyou.liquid. So you should copy this, go back here, click on new file, paste that name and press enter key. So you will have an empty file here, and we are interested to paste the code which we have already attached. So paypal-thankyou.txt, open it up, copy the code, and then go back, and here you need to paste it and then save the changes, and you can close this file. Again go back. We have the third step, which is create another new snippet paypal-buttons-cart.liquid. So you should copy this file name and then go back to this screen, click on snippets again and click on new file and paste that name here and press enter key. So in the same way we have created another new snippet file. This is empty, and here we need to paste the code which I have already attached, which is PayPal credit card-cart.txt. So let me copy this code from here and then you need to paste it. So I pasted that code and you need to save the changes and then after go back to the documentation. So we have the fourth step, which is related to client ID. Replace client ID with live client ID of your PayPal. So basically client ID is an ID inside of our PayPal account which is helping us to connect our PayPal to any other place. So in our case we have a Shopify store, so we are interested to link that PayPal to our Shopify. So this client ID will be helpful to connect our PayPal with our Shopify, because in that way whenever a customer is coming up to our store and doing the payment, so directly that payment will be received in our PayPal account. So you should have to follow a video guide. I have already given the link below in the description, and that is a 1 minute video. So you need to watch that and then you should get that client ID. We have 2 types of client IDs. One is live client ID and second is sandbox client ID. So sandbox is for the testing purpose and live client ID is for the real transactions. So in our case we need live client ID. So once you copied that, then again go back here, and here you can see that we have a test client ID I already added here. So you need to remove it and replace it with your actual live client ID. So once you replace that, then you should save the changes and again go back here, and we have the fifth step, which is you can update currency if you want. So basically we have an option of currency update. So right now we have US dollars. If you have any other currency, for example euro, you can put it EUR or any other currency code. So you can replace this USD with that currency code. All right. So once you are done with this, and make sure that those currency codes should be supported by PayPal. In the sixth step, you need to go to section and then man-cart-footer.liquid. So let me show you here. So you should scroll a little bit up. We have sections, click on that and scroll a little bit down and you will see man-cart-footer.liquid and scroll it down, and here you can see that we have checkout button. So you should search it and you will find it, but you can also put it right here just above this cart errors. So just above this we are going to paste this line of code. So let me copy it and then paste it and then save the changes. So basically this PayPal buttons cart is the file which we created recently, so that is included into this file. So if you will go back and in the documentation again, so we have the seventh step, which is go to themes, click on customize, click on settings, click on cart and change cart type to page. So let me show you what exactly this means. You should go back here and click on customize and click on this setting and then click on cart in the bottom, and here you can see a drop down. So you need to click and then click on page. So once you selected page, then save the changes. So we have the eighth step, which is go to assets and open cart.js and find cart footer and paste below lines of code. So we have to go back here and click on assets and then you should click on cart.js, and inside of this cart.js you need to find cart footer. So let me copy it using Ctrl F. You can see that this is a cart footer line, and just below it we are going to paste these 3 lines of code. So let me paste it right here, and then after you can save the changes. Finally, we have the ninth step, which is go to theme.liquid and find close body tag and paste code above it. So basically we are going back here, click on layout, click on theme.liquid and scroll it all the way down, and you can see that we have a close body tag, and just above it we are going to paste this line of code. So you should copy it and here you need to paste it. So basically this is a thank you page which we created earlier, so that is included inside of this theme.liquid, and then save the changes, and that's it. Now you can actually preview the changes. So let me go back to the dashboard, click on these 3 dots, click on preview. Here is the home page of our Rise theme. So let me see one of the product, for example this one, and here you can see that we have to click on add to cart, and you can see we have this cart page, we have checkout button, we have PayPal button, and we have debit or credit card button. In case you don't want this yellow button, so how you can remove? You can go back to PayPal-buttons-cart.liquid, scroll a little bit down, and here you can see we have funding sources. So you need to remove paypal.funding.paypal, then comma. So you should remove it and then save the changes, and again you should refresh this page, and here we go. You can see that yellow button disappeared, but right now I need it, so I am going to undo these changes and then let me refresh it again. So now you can see that PayPal button is also available. So let me do the transaction. So click on debit or credit card button, and this will be opening a form where we need to enter the details. So firstly I need to enter my email ID. Then after I need to put my card details. So here I have the card details. So let me copy. Here we need to paste it. We have the expiry date. So let me copy it, paste it, and then this is CSC code, and then we have to add the billing address. So for example, I am adding my test details, and state will be Florida, zip code, and then a phone number. So let me copy this phone number and paste it right here, and then here we have another option of ship to billing address. Currently both shipping and billing address is same, so this will keep checked. In case you have a different shipping address, so you can put the shipping address right here, and otherwise you can uncheck it, and you can also choose the current country name here. Then after you can click on pay. So once the payment is done, then you can see that we have a confirmation pop-up here. So basically this confirmation pop-up is giving us the confirmation that this is the confirmation ID. Thank you, Abdul. Your order is confirmed. Order details, contact information, shipping address. So all the details are here, and the payment has been deducted, and it will be sent to the PayPal account which you linked with your Shopify. I mean that PayPal the PayPal where we have actually copied the client ID. So that's how you can actually integrate this same feature into your Shopify store. If you are facing any issues or something, definitely you can ask me. I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. If you have any doubt, you feel free to ask me below in the comment section. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.